Yukum guys, so this is how to download Affinity by Canva and install Affinity by Canva. Say goodbye to Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer and Affinity Publisher because we got Affinity by Canva now and it's free. So we're gonna go on the Affinity by Canva website and it's gonna be a button over here where it says sign up to download, or you can click on get Affinity. Either one is fine, but I'm just gonna click on sign up to download and then it's gonna ask you to log in or sign up. So I'm gonna either continue with my email or continue otherwise, but I'm just gonna use my email. So it's gonna ask you to download Affinity. So you wanna pick the platform that you want Affinity on. So it could be either Mac OS or Windows. I'm gonna click on Windows because that's the one I'm using. And then it's gonna ask whether you want the Windows version of Intel and AMD or the ARM version. So ARM version is more for like those Snapdragon processors or the ARM based CPUs, while Intel and AMD is like the most mainstream one. So we're gonna click on this one and then you're gonna see Affinity by Canva is being downloaded right over here. Then we're gonna launch the installer wherever you stored it. So I'm gonna launch it right over here and then it's gonna bring an installer over here, install Affinity by Canva. So I'm gonna click on install. And then it's going to do its thing, so just let it install. Okay, now we got this handsome loading screen over here. Affinity by Canva is loaded up over here. So it's gonna ask you to log in or sign up. So we're gonna click on log in. So it's gonna ask you to log in to Affinity by Canva. So you're gonna use your email or whatever method you used before. So once you've done that, then it's gonna load your license up. So as you can see, we got Affinity by Canva downloaded and installed. So I'm going to click on the new button and it's going to allow you to create a new document. So I'm just going to like go down where it says devices or where it says here, and I'm going to do full HD. Then just click create document after that. And you can see we got our document over here and we can make our stuff. So it's really cool to have it. And you can see now we can like use it like we do with Photoshop, and it's a really cool tool to have. And the cool thing is you can change to vector, or you want to go to pixel mode or layout mode, or you can use the Canva AI tools. So this is how to download Affinity by Canva and install Affinity by Canva. Please subscribe with all notifications and smash that like button. Please join as a member to get your name over here. And smash that hype button. Anyways, check out my other videos and have a yoga malicious day.